Spring is a magical time in a garden. The joy of seeing rosebuds appear and open, of seeing the hydrangeas, lilacs and viburnums bursting into life. The peonies pushing up out of the soil renews our sense of wonder. The hellebores are quietly spectacular, always the first to bloom, a sure sign that spring is finally here after a long, hard winter. Our garden is an oasis in two senses of the word. It is our sanctuary. It provides comfort, relaxation, escape, hope, tranquility, and a reminder of the importance of balance and rejuvenation. At times, it can feel like our garden is an oasis surrounded by a suburban desert. However, like an oasis, our garden provides a habitat for animals, birds, and insects. We get such joy from knowing that we are attracting, supporting, and connected to all kinds of wildlife through simply tending the soil, planting, and nurturing our garden. In turn, our garden nurtures us, providing a timeless, serene inner peace. We are in the present, all of our senses engaged. The feel and smell of the earth, the songs of the birds and chimes and splashing water, and the miraculous beauty of new growth.